Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dego finance token. It's spelled just like Lego, but there's a D. So I'm assuming it's pronounced Dego. It could be Dego for all I know. Haven't heard it pronounced, but this token just got a brand new central exchange listing yesterday. It's also listed on a few other central exchanges. We're going to go over the information on how to get this token and the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it's a very well-established project here. They have their webpage, Dego.finance, has referral section, governance, NFT market, log. They have donations, Delta, the Dego chain, dashboard, staking, documents. They have, you name it, tons of stuff on here. Now, they also have on there, they have a Telegram that you could join that has over 30,500 members on there. It says decentralized finance with sustainability, and you can find that at Dego_finance. They have a Twitter at Dego_finance, blue verified checkmark with 257,000 Telegram members. Insane following here. It says the innovative incubator for the Web3, BRC20, NFTs, Dego, and AI. They have a launch pad on here. You can go to deltahub.pro. They have an AI GC at diffusion_AI and their Telegram, all linked on the Twitter, and then their webpage underneath that. So you can find all sorts of stuff there. Now, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting yesterday on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get the Dego token here and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC. It is actually listed on MEXC as well. And I believe it's listed on Bitrue as well. So almost every referral code down there, you could probably get this token on any of those exchanges. But the one that got listed yesterday is Coinex Global. So check out all the referral codes down there. But the Coinex Global one just happened December 28th. So you could just go through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DEGO, and then simply just buy the token. Now, they have an Etherscan here. Now, this is actually the V2 version of the token. So it says the ticker symbol, if you're looking for this on Etherscan, is Dego V2. And right now that it says only 373 holders. I'm sure that will change soon with all their giant following and everything and all these listings. Price is $3.29 right now per token. It says it's up 15.92% today. Fully diluted market cap, 49,344,000 tokens. Dollars, sorry. $34.3 million fully diluted market cap, and their circulating supply market cap, $17.8 million, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 14,998,422 tokens. Now, Dego Finance is an innovative incubator for the Web3 world. You can find their full white paper, by the way. It's real easy to go through a document section for info if you want to find a concise info section here instead of going through their crazy webpage. Just go to docs.dego.finance. So it says, Dego Finance is an innovative incubator for the Web3 world. We are currently engaged in actively incubating diverse projects spanning the Bitcoin ecosystem, DePIN, DESI, and GameFi, and collaborating with our partners to embark on a new chapter. The Dego platform includes the Dego NFT suite, offering a complete suite of products to manage the life cycle of NFTs. So they have the NFT AIGC, that's the one that's linked on the Twitter there at diffusion.ai. They have the BRC20 Launchpad. They have an NFT Foundry, where you can mint NFTs with unique attributes and rarity grades by depositing Dego ERC20 or BEP20 tokens. Dego Finance is NFTs are backed by the token deposits during the minting process and can be decomposed to release the deposited tokens. So there's NFT mining, stake NFTs, and mine rewards. And there's auctions. NFT auctions are carried out in the form of FOMO 3D auctions. And then there's Scan Drop, a DApp for users to participate in NFT airdrops by scanning QR codes. So there's tons of utilities here. Now, on their document section that I just said there, has a full roadmap. They do have an audit report that you can check out as well. They have a section about dividends, referral system, the glossary, community section. They have the Dego DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. So basically, there's going to be voting rights for token holders. There's mining. There's the NFT section, the diffusion. Then there's the connect to chain section where they talk about all sorts of different chains you can connect to. But let's go over the roadmap here, starting with launch on Uniswap and open liquidity mining. Then the ETH module launch with ETH NFTs airdrop mining and auction. Then BSC module launch with BSC NFT airdrop mining and auction. Then we got the Treasureland V1 NFTs for Good Christmas Mining Royale event. Then we got, this goes all the way back to 2020. Very old project here. Then we got the Treasury Land Optimization, Dego R&D launch, Dego INO, asset transfer. I might have done a video on this a long time ago. It is drastically changed though. I might have deleted that video because it might have been like super old. But yeah, this is, they're saying it's, the V2 version, and then there's all these new things, of course, because BRC20 didn't exist in you go all the way back to 2020, 2021, all that stuff. People weren't inscribing NFTs on Satoshis, right, back then. So they have all these new features here. So they have the Treasureland INO, NFT casting, Treasureland dividend pool, the Dego Metaverse, implement on Scroll, ZK Sync, Arbitrum, Linea, Say, Combo, Dcard, deploy on more chains, the Dego Launchpad, and Dego Staking. So they have tons of stuff. Go check out the docs, docs.dego.finance. And you can find this token listed all over the place, but this new listing just yesterday was on Coinex Global. So check out the Coinex Global referral code down there. Check out the other ones as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.